Welcome to X Technology Guide, Seek Manufacturing Beauty with Kimmy. Hey buddy, do you familiar with 5-axis CNC?
Of course, I work for leading digital manufacturing platform XMAKE. We serve great 5-axis machining.
Well, I bet you don't know the idea of multi-axis machining started from a philosopher and a fly.
Really? Is there such a thing?
The origin of 5-axis machining can be dated back to René Descartes. I'm sure you've heard his famous quote. By 1637, Descartes expanded upon the Cartesian coordinate system. There is a story that he got inspired by a fly on the ceiling, that he can determine the fly's position using X, Y, and Z axis.
Typically, X-axis is horizontal, Y-axis goes from front to rear or back to front based on your view, and Z-axis moves up and down. Coordinate systems pushes the machining techniques. The machine can work with these 3 axes called 3-axis machine and been widely used in industrial production since 19th century.
Innovation of technology never stops. By late 1940s, engineer John T. Parsons developed the initial concepts of numerical control machining when he worked on helicopter parts that required precise and intricate constructions. Parsons teamed up with Frank Stulin to design the first 5-axis machine.
We call this machine 5-axis because it has 2 more rotation axes. A-axis rotates around X-axis and B-axis rotates around Y-axis. Compare with 3 and 4-axis, 5-axis is more flexible and accurate. It makes parts with complicated 3D shapes with higher efficiency. Well, it is also more expensive and requires higher operating skill.
I believe you already noticed one important detail, that the machine made by Parsons and Stulin was NC without computer. By the time when computer was not fully put into industrial practice, primitive NC machine used punch cards to control lathe tools' movements.
The creation of first computer numerical control machine have to wait till 1960s when computer technology got advanced and cheaper. New elements like CAD software and G-code eventually made the CNC 5-axis machine we know. In industrial production today, 5-axis is still highly successful, and there's every reason to think that it has bright future to better serve fabricators' demands.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe XMAKE.